Hello, fine boy.
Why will you jam someone like that?
Oh, I'm sorry. I'm a sugar girl though. I like you. I like your stature and I like your color. So how much do you charge?
What do you mean you are a sugar girl? How do you even know I'm into this sugar stuff?
I can see it in you now. Like your look shows it.
Well, that's not bad. That's what I do. I knack.
Wow, you mean it?
Yes, I can knack very well.
Okay.
But madam, you give me 750k.
Okay, that's not the problem. Money is not the problem.
Eh? I do not mean 750k. I mean 800,000.
Money is not the problem.
And I'll collect my charges fee and caution fee and
Of
agreement.
course, you will eat and help.
You are a good market. I'll go. Get inside.
May God not allow them make them kill you.
Madam, wait now. What is this now?
Why are you scared? Come in.
What is going on here now? What is this?
It's my sugar soda and my sugar babalawo, so there's nothing there.
What do you mean? Person they get sugar babalawo. You should be sugar babalawo.
So just call me.
No.
Abi don't go again.
Okay. Sorry. I'll go. But this is not.
Enter.
But this is not right. Oh. I'm just going.
Will you calm down?
Calm down now. But this is not right now. I'm just going my way. I should be your sugar girl. Sugar boy. Am I the sugar girl or sugar boy? Oh yeah. Don't tell me what do you want to use me for?
You're the sugar boy.
What babalawo they do?
Sugar babalawo and sugar soda.
God.
Come in.
Why are you offending me? Why? You shouldn't offend person that you your sugar girl now. Madam, I don't want the money.
Will you keep quiet?
I'm done.